The Finance Minister P. Chidambaram attacked the NDA government over its claim of the growth figures. The BJP has hit back at the Finance Minister. Former Finance Minister of the NDA regime, Yashwant Sinha, attacked Chidambaram and said that he benefited from the policies initiated by the erstwhile NDA regime. Sinha claimed that Chidambaram has always inherited a strong economy and has been successful in reducing the growth momentum.
3 बार चिदम्बरम साहब ने अर्थव्यवस्था को ठिकाने लगाने का काम किया है और वहीं लाकर खड़ा किया है जहां पर कि 1997-98 में 97-98 में वो छोड़कर गए थे। ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे उनकी आदत हो गई है कि मजबूत अर्थव्यवस्था उनको मिलेगी और वो उसको बर्बाद करके जाएंगे।
Comments being there exchanged between the former Finance Minister of the NDA regime and the current Finance Minister. Jaskirat Singh Baba is still with me on this story. Jaskirat, will there now be a concerted effort as far as the BJP is concerned to target Chidambaram after the Finance Minister started against the Gujarat development model?
In a press conference that lasted for more than 1 hour and 15 minutes, the last question and the last answer that actually gave us a key to what the BJP strategy is going to be with regards to their agenda as far as the elections are concerned. P. Chidambaram's economic policy and the economic performance of the UPA government, UPA 1 and UPA 2, will be one of the key agendas as far as the BJP offensive and attack is concerned.
Yeah.
When we asked the question about what really is the sentiment with which the BJP is going, he suggested that the Ram Mandir was an emotional issue, and that there are actual other issues which are more public and economic, socio-economic in nature, which is primarily a price rise and inflation and development, and that these are the issues with which the BJP plans to fight these elections, and this is the agenda with which the BJP plans to fight the election.
Absolutely.
So definitely taking pot shots at P. Chidambaram, but at the same time being charitable somewhat with the Manmohan Singh's initial economic policies, not as the Prime Minister, but his previous economic policies. We've had, of course, Yashwant Sinha giving an indication about the BJP agenda there.